Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Samir Sardana and in this video I will be discussing the concept of syllogisms. I'm also teaching live on Unacademy Plus and this is my referral code LRDA SMEER which you will get 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription as well as Unacademy Iconic subscription. So let's start with this part. See that guys, we will be discussing the concept of reverse syllogism, right? In the reverse syllogism, conclusions are given first and you are supposed to find out that which set of statement will give you these conclusions, right? That means we are supposed to find out in which of these following statements these two conclusions will follow. So the direct method, the shortcut method of solving this question is to draw a Venn diagram of conclusions instead of drawing the Venn diagram of all the statements, because if I keep on making the Venn diagram of all of these five statements and then I cross check that in which of these graph these two conclusion will follow, it will take a lot of time. So you need to think in a reverse way, right? You need to first make the Venn diagram of the conclusions, and then looking at the Venn diagram of the conclusions, you are supposed to find out which statement will give us these two final conclusion. For example, here, if I have to make a Venn diagram, if I have to make a Venn diagram for this conclusion that all dogs being monkey is a possibility. So let's say this is a Venn diagram of the dogs, right? Now all dogs being monkey is a possibility. That means the complete circle of dog should be under the circle of monkey and this should be a possibility. Now, if I'm looking for this particular Venn diagram, all those statements will straight away be eliminated where it is mentioned that no dog is a monkey. So in a reverse conclusion, you are supposed to eliminate the options. And how do you eliminate the option? By thinking that which exception would exist or what would be the a contradict statement to this conclusion. All dogs being monkeys a possibility is this graph, and the contradiction of this conclusion, that means a statement stating that no dog is a monkey, this statement will straight away block all the ways of this conclusion being a possibility, right? So just look for all those statements which are saying that no dog is a monkey and straight away eliminate that option. No dog is a monkey is what we are looking for. You see that no dog is a monkey is mentioned statement 2. So can I eliminate statement 2? No dog is monkey is also mentioned in statement 4. So can I eliminate statement 4? No dog is a monkey. Okay, now these two statements are eliminated. I don't need to now make a Venn diagram of statement 2 and statement 4. And look at here, look at the second conclusion. I also need to make this as a possibility that all monkeys are cat. All monkeys are cat means the circle of monkey should be inside the circle of cat. This would be the Venn diagram of this second conclusion. Now, if I'm looking for the exception of this conclusion, I need the statement where it is mentioned that no monkey is cat. So if it is mentioned no monkey is a cat, if in statement it is mentioned that no monkey is a cat, straight away this option will be eliminated. No monkey is cat. Do we have any such statement? Yes, it's mentioned over here. No cat is monkey. So can I say statement 3 is out of the option? No cat is monkey. This also eliminate option statement 5, right? So we are left with only statement 1 and that's the answer of the question, right? So I don't need to cross verify. I don't need to make the Venn diagram of statement 1. Straight away I can say that using the statements mentioned in 1 are those statements where both of these two conclusions will follow because rest of the 4 options have been eliminated. Now look at the next question, question number 13. No teacher is a lawyer, right? So no teacher is a lawyer. That means teacher and lawyer circle should not be intersecting. Any particular statement talking about teacher and lawyer where it is mentioned that some teachers are lawyers, right, will straight away be eliminated. Do we have a statement talking about teacher and lawyer? We have this statement. any statement which mention that some teachers are lawyers, because if I want this conclusion, if I am looking for the exception of this conclusion where it is mentioned that some teacher are lawyer, this conclusion cannot follow. So look for that option where it is mentioned that some teacher are lawyer. We don't have such statement. Okay, so but we can see that here it is mentioned that all doctors are teacher, all teachers are doctors, and no doctor is a lawyer. So teacher is related with doctor and doctor is related with lawyer. Okay, and then it's mentioned that all teachers are students and some students are lawyers. So that means an intersection of teacher and lawyer is possible. See, any particular statement where this intersection is possible, that means this conclusion will not follow. So any particular statement where there is a possible intersection of teacher circle and lawyer circle, that statement can straight away be eliminated. You see that here it's mentioned that all doctors are students and some students are lawyers. That means an interaction between teacher and lawyer is possible. So straight away eliminate option 2. Okay, all such statement, right? Now, all right, now let's look for the next statement. All doctors are students. All doctors are student mean the circle of doctor should be under the circle of student. All those statements mentioning no doctor is a student will straight away be eliminated. Do we have a statement saying no doctor is a student? Right, so that means there must be an interaction between doctor and statement, a doctor and students. So, and any particular statement saying some doctors are students will also be eliminated, right? So here we have some students are lawyer, no teacher is student. Now, using this, we can eliminate only option 2. Now, let's see that if I look at the option 1, all students are teacher, all students are teachers, right? And all teachers are doctors, all teachers are doctors, right? So can I straight away eliminate the options, because I'm statement 1 can straight away be eliminated because I want doctor circle to be inside the circle of student. Here it is mentioned that all students are teacher and all teachers are doctors. So first is straight away eliminated, right? Second has already been eliminated. All doctors are teachers here, right? All doctors are teachers. No teacher is a student. No teacher is a student, right? We are looking for the interaction of doctor and student, right? The circle of doctor should be inside the circle of student, and this says that doctor, teacher, and students cannot interact, right? That means doctor and students can also not cannot interact. So straight away statement 3 is also eliminated. Now we are left with statement 4 and statement 5. Here it is mentioned that all doctors are teachers. Look at the statement 4. Now statement 1, 2, 3 are eliminated. Let me erase this data. All right. Now these three options are eliminated. All doctors are teachers. All doctors are teachers. And all teachers are students. No student is a lawyer. All right. No student is a lawyer. We are looking for no teacher is a lawyer. See that student and lawyer circle cannot be interacted. So teacher and lawyer students can also not interact. So therefore first conclusion is is getting followed here. No doctors are students. No, all doctors are students. So the circle of doctor is inside the circle of student. So this also follows. So statement 4 will be the answer to the question. That means both of these two conclusions will follow in statement 4. Here is the next question. You see that here it is mentioned at least some hills being lake is a possibility. Some hills being lake is a possibility. All those statements talking that no hill is a lake will straight away be eliminated, right? No hill is a lake will straight away be eliminated. No hill is a lake eliminated, right? No hill is a lake. This will also be eliminated. No hill is a lake, so this will also be eliminated. And then it says some mountains are hills. Some mountains are hills. That means all the statements talking no mountain is a hill, all those statements saying no mountain is a hill will be eliminated, right? So any statement talking no mountain is a hill, some mountains are hill here. Okay, here it is mentioned that some hills are river, some hills are rivers, and no river is a lake. That means some hills are rivers and no river is a lake. We are looking that some hills can be lake. Okay, being is a possibility, so statement 5 is a possible option and statement 2 is also a possible option. All right, now let's cross check. Some mountains are hills. Let's check for the statement 2. All hills are mountains. All hills are mountain. All mountains are river. All mountains are river. And no river is a lake. So at least some hill being lake is a possibility here? No. At least some hill being lake is not a possibility here because river circle and lake circle cannot be interacted. So therefore hill circle and lake circle can also not be interacted. So therefore you can straight away eliminate uh, the op statement 2 also. So you are left with only statement 5. So you can say statement 5 is the answer of the question. In statement 5, both of these two conclusions will follow because rest of the statement have been eliminated. Next question, let's see that. At least some beans are carrot. So at least some beans are carrot means this will be the Venn diagram of at least some beans being carrot. Some brinjal being carrot is a possibility. That means the circle of brinjal and carrot. Some brinjal being carrot is a possibility. That means there has to be some interaction between brinjal circle and the carrot circle. Now all the option where it is mentioned that no bean is carrot will be eliminated. I don't need to make a Venn diagram for those. No bean is a carrot. You see that? No carrot is bean. That means statement 2 I don't need to cross check. Okay, and also all the statement where it's mentioned that no brinjal is carrot will also be eliminated. No brinjal is carrot is eliminated because I'm looking for this particular Venn diagram. And it says no brinjal is carrot, so statement 5 will be eliminated. No carrot is bean is also mentioned in statement 4, so this is also eliminated. And now we are left with only statement 1 and statement 3. One of this is the answer of the question. Okay, and here no brinjal is carrot mentioned, so that's why statement 1 is also eliminated because I'm looking for this Venn diagram. So you're left with only statement 3. You don't need to cross verify anything else. You can straight away go with the option C, that is only statement 3 will give us these two conclusions. So this is the way to solve the questions of reverse slots, and this will help you in saving the time when you look for the the exception of the given conclusion, and those exceptions can straight away help us in eliminating the options. So with the elimination of some of the statements, it's very easy to reach to the final answer. So that's it for the Silogs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to Unacademy Plus as well as for iconic Unacademy subscription using my referral code RDSMIR. This will help you in getting a 10% off, and these are my upcoming courses for CAT 2021. I'll be starting with arithmetic without formulas course with a 1000 practice question course, an algebra with 750 question course, and a geometry course with 750 practice questions. And these are the benefits of iconic CAT 2021 subscription. A personal mentor will be assigned to you. A test analysis and reports will be given to you. You can also prepare other management and test exams under the iconic subscription, and all benefits of Plus will be included. Also, there's a new feature where you can ask your doubts 24 hours 7 on an Academy Learning app. All you have to do is just click the question, highlight the question, and send it to us. And this feature is active 24 hours 7. You'll be getting solution as soon as possible. Thank you so much. So please refer to my referral code LRDSMIR for an Academy Plus subscription. Thank you. See you then in the next class.